Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes no baking powder, easy method. Start by measuring 1 cup flour and adding 1 tablespoon sugar and a pinch of salt. Then mix 1/2 teaspoon baking soda with 1 tablespoon vinegar or plain yogurt before adding to the batter, and whisk until slightly lumpy to keep pancakes tender and airy on the griddle. After prepping ingredients, whisk 1 egg with 3/4 cup milk and 1 tablespoon melted butter or oil. Then gently fold that into the dry mix until just combined. Resting the batter 5 to 10 minutes lets the baking soda and vinegar reaction create bubbles, which lightens the pancakes and prevents a gummy texture so you get tender, evenly cooked cakes when you pour onto a hot pan. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs and flour spills so you spend less time sweeping after pancake sessions. It has voice control and smart cleaning, perfect for busy cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick one up if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a non-stick skillet to medium and add a light smear of butter or oil. Then pour about 1/4 cup batter for each pancake. Watch for bubbles breaking on the surface and edges setting before flipping, and cook briefly until both sides are golden brown. Keeping the heat steady prevents burning while ensuring the centers cook through for soft, fluffy pancakes without baking powder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.